Really?
I think they call those 240SXs, like the Skyline Edition.
Okay, so you guys can't do it?
Yeah, I can't even, like my system's not even letting me pull that car up.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we have something a little bit special in store. So yesterday I was working on my Skyline and I had to pull out the radiator and I needed to get some more coolant. And I went to O'Reilly's and I wasn't quite sure what coolant type. I was trying to search it up. O'Reilly's probably won't know what type of coolant to use on an R32 GTR. I thought I'd ask them there. The lady working there gave me a funny response. So I thought it'd be a fun video idea to go ahead and start calling some people and asking them if they know what stuff the Skyline should run. To go ahead and start calling around to these people, O'Reilly's and Advanced and even Nissan, to see how much they really know about the Skyline. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with a basic question of what oil they'd recommend for a 1989 Nissan Skyline GTR.
Joe, how may I help you?
Hell yes. What weight of oil would you recommend for a 1989 Nissan?
What model?
Skyline GTR.
You said 89?
Yes, sir.
I don't show Nissan Skyline to be on here. Is it called something else?
No, it is 89 Skyline. I'm just looking to change the oil in it.
Let's see. I have 240SX, 300ZX, D21 Maxima Micra, Pathfinder, Pulsar NX, Sentra, and Stanza.
Really?
I think they call those 240SXs, like the Skyline Edition.
No, I don't think it's a 240. Pretty sure
it's either that or it's not an 89. It may be a different year model.
Well, the title says 89 on it.
Do you have the VIN?
I don't have it with me right now.
Yeah, because I don't have Skyline as a model.
So you don't know what?
89.
I'm just looking for like what weight of oil. Do you guys know what weight of oil for that?
I would have to have the model now because the model's buried on the engines.
Well, it's a Skyline GTR.
You know what that engine's got?
It's a RB26.
See, I don't show that spec. It's a 2.4. I don't know. Looks like 530 maybe. Yeah, you might look on our website. You might be able to find some information. We can get the VIN. We can tell you exactly what they call it in their computers.
Okay. I should do some research online.
If you can get the VIN, I can tell you what the model's called on the computers and then get you that weight, what they recommend.
Okay, I'll have to call you back then on that.
Right.
Well, thank you.
Sounds good.
Bye. Let's go ahead, give O'Reilly's a quick call.
For calling O'Reilly Auto Parts, Tony speaking. May I help you?
Hell yes. What oil would you recommend for a 1989 Nissan?
What's the model?
Skyline GTR.
Say it one more time for me, please.
Skyline GTR.
Skyline. What was the year again?
1989.
1989 Nissan. So the only one that looks like it's coming up for me with this 1989 Nissan is the 240SX, 300ZX, D21 pickup, Maxima, Pathfinder, Pulsar NX.
Okay.
Sentra, and
Well, I'm looking to do an oil change on it. And I didn't know what oil weight to run.
Yes, I can ask my manager.
All right, thank you.
Okay, I'll just put you on hold for just a second, okay?
Okay. It's not in their system. Big shocker. He's gonna ask his manager. Looking for what oil you'd recommend for a 1989 Nissan?
What model Nissan you got?
Skyline GTR.
I'm actually not pulling any information up for that one. Pull a Skyline up on another part system I got real quick here. I don't have the Skyline listed in any of my systems, but I'll try to pull it up online here to see if there's anything.
Do you think I should call Nissan?
I would probably do that because I pulled up a form here, and it's people are recommending anything from 040 up to 1050, 1540. So it's kind of all over the map as far as kind of what people's personal preferences.
Okay.
So I'd probably call it a Nissan dealership and see if they got any records still available for that one.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Have a good one. Bye bye. O'Reilly's didn't have it in their system. Some guy finally looked it up on a forum, which that's kind of what you have to do since it's not in the system. So next I'm going to go ahead and call AutoZone and see if they have a water pump for the 89 Skyline GTR. Obviously they won't, but I just want to see what they'll say. Let's go grab the number. We're looking for a water pump.
Hey, sure, I can help you.
Hello, I'm needing a water pump for a 1989 Nissan. Nissan Skyline GTR.
R33?
R32.
Okay, man, it's going to be tough to track down. Give me a second, let me ask around.
I no clue. Ooh. He knew what an R32 was, or R33.
Yeah, but we're not gonna carry parts for those Skylines, man.
Okay.
I mean, I'd probably try Summit Racing or Rock Auto or one of those websites.
Summit Racing or Rock Auto?
Yeah, you're not gonna have much luck at any parts store.
Okay, all right. I just thought I'd call and ask. Thank you. So he recommended Summit Racing or Rock Auto. I'm not sure Summit carries Skyline parts. I'm gonna go ahead and call my local Nissan dealer and ask what weight of oil they would recommend for a Skyline, and then see if I can book an oil change through them if they will change the oil in my '89 GTR.
Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling Jackie Cooper. This is Dora. How may I help you?
Hello, I'm just looking for an oil recommendation, like the weight for a 1989 Nissan Skyline.
Let me get you over to a service advisor, sir.
Okay, thank you. Hello, yes, I'm looking for what weight oil you'd recommend for a 1989 Nissan Skyline GTR.
Obviously synthetic would be the way to go. We use a W20 synthetic blend. Are you thinking about getting the oil change done here, or what were you thinking?
I was thinking about if you guys could do that. It's a '89 Skyline GTR.
Right.
Is that something you guys could do?
You know, I think so, but I would like to have you talk to parts first just to kind of confirm, but I think we could probably handle that. We even have a weight that's kind of a heavier one, a 5W30 synthetic blend that's a little bit more expensive than that, but it may be what they recommend. So can I have you talk with them?
Yes, that'd be great. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for calling Jackie Cooper Nissan Parts. This is Vance. Can I help you?
Hello, I'm looking for a oil weight recommendation for a 1989 Nissan Skyline GTR. Like what weight of oil would you guys recommend?
89 Skyline. Let's see if my chart goes back that far. It does not. Let me look up my database. On the other computer. Let me put you on hold for a second.
Okay, thank
See
you.
what I can dig up for you. All right.
Thank you. Oh.
Hello, my name is Ben from Jackie Cooper. I'm one of the technicians here. I just happen to be in parts. Is the engine built or is it stock?
It's stock.
Do you know of? It's stock?
Yes, sir.
See, the thing is, on our end, our service manuals won't actually pull that up because it wasn't at that time. It wasn't considered a American production car. Is it sort of a higher mileage engine? Or do you know what?
There's about 85,000 miles on it.
85,000 miles on it. It's 89. Do you know what engine is in it?
The RB26, I believe.
It's a 26. Okay. Yeah, I'd probably use something like a high quality 530, possibly like a Motul or a Redline, or you necessarily don't have to use something like that. If you're not going to be like racing it or anything, as long as I'd probably go with like a full synthetic, like a Castrol 530, or possibly like a 040 as well.
Okay.
040 is what is required in the current GTR, the R35.
Okay. Okay.
So,
can you guys change the oil in that, or is that something I should take to like a specialist, or?
That's something you may want to get with the service manager, but I wouldn't be inclined to change an oil on it. I wouldn't mind.
Okay.
I'd do it. Yeah, if you can pull up in the service drive, pretty sure one of the guys will write you up for an oil change, possibly, if we have the filter, and we probably have the filter in stock too. So,
okay.
If it's the filter that I think it is. So.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate
no
it.
problem.
Have a good one. Bye. So Nissan was a little bit iffy. They kept sending me to different departments and talking to different people, and they finally kind of recommended full synthetic 530 or whatever it was. He said that somebody there would probably change the oil in it, which obviously it's like an oil change, so it's fairly simple, but he did seem a little bit kind of iffy on it because like it's not in their system, and like it's obviously not a production car that they like currently had or ever had because it's from Japan. Okay, let's call one last one. I'm gonna go ahead and call my other local Nissan dealer and ask him how much it would be to replace the water pump on my GTR and see what they say, and see if they can give me a quote over the phone, or if they'll even do it at all, or if they can even get the parts. I'm just curious. Let's go ahead and give them a call, see what they say.
Thank you for calling Nelson. We're home of the Powertrain for Life warranty. On all for our service department, press 2. Please hold.
Nelson Nissan Service.
Oh yes, I'm looking for a water pump replacement for my 1989 Nissan Skyline GTR.
All right.
Is that something you guys could do? out there at the dealer?
Yeah, let me look here and see how much that would run.
Okay.
What year did you say it was again?
It's a 1989.
89? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And that's not even listed in our... Hold on one sec. Let me ask one of my mechanics right quick.
Okay, thank you.
The labor time, and then I can get you the parts.
Okay, thank you. It's not in their system. Not surprised. He's going to ask a mechanic.
All right. So I was asking two of my master techs back there, and they said that those things usually you would be better off going to like one of the import shops.
Okay, so you guys can't do it?
Yeah, I can't even, like my system's not even letting me pull that car up.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess I'll do some calling around.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
No problem.
But, well, that dealer didn't have it in their system either and didn't want to replace the water pump in it. They said it'd be better off going to an import shop, which we really don't have that many import shops around here, but we have a couple. That is so funny, they redirected me to an import shop, not the dealer, for a Nissan. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this type of video, let me know down in the comments. I have a few other ideas that I could whip up for some future videos. I thought it was a lot of fun calling these dealers and these auto parts places and see how much they actually know about a Skyline. Since they're not super common, that's kind of what I expected. I knew they weren't going to have it in their system, and I knew they'd either like not sure or tell me to go somewhere else, or be smart about it, look it up online, like Google it in a forum, which a couple guys did and was able to tell me an answer. One Nissan dealership was a little bit skeptical about changing the oil. They eventually were like, yeah, we could kind of do it. And the other one, I asked to replace my water pump, and they pretty much said no. They're like, you'd be better off going somewhere else. We don't really have that stuff. We can't really do that. I was really curious to see what the dealer was gonna say about that because I knew they didn't have like parts for that car, or if they could even get them. So that was good for this video, guys. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. That'll help me out so much. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.